Yeah, you can take me there.
Okay.
Here we are. We have a very special guest here, Nicole Richie.
Hello.
And she wanted to just have wine. I was like, it's fine.
It's 8 in the morning. I don't care.
So we are going to be doing a get ready with me. So I get to see like what you do. I know you really love that like smoky under lash line, which I love too.
I do.
I see that like a lot.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna kind of have a good time, drink some wine.
And everything will be
Fine.
Cheers to ourselves.
Yes.
Cheers
That was a big
to
gulp you took.
us and our mascara.
Yes, yes.
Love you.
Love you too.
Let me first explain my vibe.
Okay, what's your vibe?
I have to leave the house at 8 in the morning.
Yes.
Out all day. I'm a mom. I have to work, and then like
you have to take care of your
sometimes
chickens.
I got to take care of the chickens, and I don't want to look bad for them.
No,
either.
you can't.
No, I
You
can't.
look bad for the chickens.
What I need is something light.
Yes.
That's easy to do, that's not like clogging my skin, that I feel like I'm wearing it all day. I just like to keep something in a, the warm tones.
Me too. I'm warm tones all the way.
I can tell. I feel like you and I have similar color skin, correct?
Very, like a little olivey.
A little olivey, yeah. So the bronze really works for us
Yes.
because it feels like, were you alive in 1988?
Yes.
Well,
I was gonna say
do you
no,
know
just
who,
to say no. But yeah.
Do you know who Bridget Hall is?
No. I'm really bad with names though.
She was a model and she was in a Ralph Lauren campaign. Bridget Hall always looked like she was like fresh off of like this desert romantic trip. And that's how I want to look.
Sun-kissed.
Sun-kissed.
Like you were just out in the Bahamas.
But not burnt, like
No.
sun-kissed, fresh.
Yes.
That's
Flushed.
the vibe. Flushed.
Flushed.
In the best way.
That's the good word for it, flushed.
So, this is
Do you want to know
where
my vibe or?
Oh yes, no, I do. I do. I was only concerned with myself, but I'm
No,
working
why are
through
you
that
concerned
in
with
2008.
yourself? Okay, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, tell me about you.
My vibe is also fresh, glowy.
I can tell.
Warm tone. But I need a lash because
Need a lash.
I have to have a lash. Simple as well. Lots of highlight. Nude lip.
Same. Same, a nude lip. All right.
So we're kind of on the same page there.
Yeah. You and I are very similar.
Yeah. I've always known we had good vibes together.
I did too. I did too. I can feel it by sitting next to you. You have a nice warm glow, and it's not just your makeup.
You are so flushed. I just love it.
Well, speaking of, we're just gonna start here.
Oh wow.
Just to
you
first
could
of all,
actually have your own channel.
I should.
Yeah.
Should I take this one? You've got a lot of followers.
Yeah, I'm
and then
sure
I
they
can
would love
just,
that.
Like, this is my show now,
Yes.
and I'm gonna teach you how to do makeup. Ready? Okay. Wake up your skin a little bit, get it primed and ready to go.
Wow.
I also wouldn't mind spraying a little rose quartz spray. We don't have that here. So instead of the rose quartz spray, we'll just take another sip.
Okay, perfect, perfect.
I start with the brow. This brow pencil has the pencil on one side and the brush
Very
on the
important.
other, okay? So,
Show them how you do.
I'm
yours.
gonna show all
I'm just
of
gonna prime
my
my lids
followers.
with some concealer since I'm here.
I like my eyebrows on the thicker side because in my mind, I'm Brooke Shields and everyone is obsessed with me. I need the eyebrows to go with that. So I actually do it pretty light and I just kind of like go over the whole thing and then I take the brush and I brush it through so it's not so solid.
Some feathery strokes.
Some feathery strokes just to get the same motion in the color as your actual eyebrow. I could definitely use some tweezers, but we'll talk about that later.
We don't have those either, so.
Okay, well, we'll put that on the list.
I'm just priming my lids, because I have a really red lid, so I have to just neutralize.
Why? Why do you have red lids? You're just born that way?
I don't know.
I've never looked at my lid color.
I have like a really red, everything looks warm tone too on me.
There we go. What do you think?
Fierce. Perfect.
Now, I only get red
match.
just right here. I get a little red. So I take this one and done. It's the easiest one.
All right.
And I just put a little, I already did my skin, but I just do a little boom,
Little
boom.
pump.
I mix it with a little lotion just to,
Give it extra glow.
Yep, extra glow. And then I just pat, pat, pat. I go under the eye because I need to look awake. Boom, boom, boom. And the shape is boom, boom, boom.
I'm a little concerned right
Am
now.
I right?
I feel like you're actually gonna take over my channel and people aren't gonna want me back.
No, we already discussed this.
Wow.
I am taking over this channel.
Oh, you know what we forgot to discuss though? This new hot heat.
Yes.
Yes.
This mirror, I know that you were wondering,
People are
what is she
wondering.
holding? And I'm gonna tell you right now. Naked petite heat, because who doesn't want to be naked and petite?
And hot.
Right? Hello, you can. One tiny case.
It's like the big heat.
And then a petite one, pocket size, fits right in your back pocket, smaller than your iPhone.
Yeah, everything's smaller than iPhones these days.
That is also true. Okay, so I don't like a lot of stuff on like my entire skin.
It looks like you have like a BB or something. Your skin looks really like
What's a
radiant. You don't know what BB is?
BB-8?
BB cream?
BB cream.
Yeah, like you look like very fresh.
Oh, BB. Like,
Oh,
hey,
now she's trying to pretend like she knows. Oh, BB.
love you, BB.
Yeah,
Got it.
for sure.
Okay, yes. Yeah, I know what that is.
Yeah.
I've known since I was a BB. Can I see a blush brush, please?
Yes, you may.
Listen,
Yeah.
it's not that deep, okay? You just da 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 da,
Yep.
and then just a little boom. And a little boom. You'd be surprised. You get a little color, you know? We
Yeah.
don't need to like go insane.
Just
It's
a boom boom.
Just a boom and a boom boom, possibly. And then maybe
So-
an extra boom, but not too many.
4
That-
booms.
you have
You
to
do
build
more than
with the
4 booms, you're going too far.
Yeah, you're like taking it to another place. What I do not have is an eyelash curler, but I need one.
Yeah.
Not everybody does, and if you don't, lucky you. I don't know what that's like.
So you go mascara before eyeshadow
I go mascara before eyeshadow.
Okay.
And then I do a second coat after the eyeshadow.
to really, I was gonna say, to really just,
Punch it in.
yeah.
Yeah.
PG version of what I was gonna
PG
say.
version, yes.
I'm just using these light colors to just set my eyeshadow base here. And then I'm gonna go in with some eyeshadow. I go eyeshadow before mascara
Okay, well, different strokes.
for different folks.
Yes, pun intended. With an eyeshadow brush, I'll just go here. Look, vibrate, hot spell, little mix.
Oh, you're going in all.
Is that bold? I don't think it is. Look, and then I just go at the center.
Uh-huh.
And then I just like maybe move out a little if I'm feeling sassy, but not all the time. Okay.
All right.
Dun dun dun, dun dun dun. Start in the center and move up. I hate downstrokes on my face, but that's just me.
Nobody should
So-
like downstrokes on their face. It's not good for your skin.
No, there's no downstrokes allowed. I'm pushing and I'm just like moving up. It's very simple.
Listen,
Okay.
I have to ask you about your chickens.
Okay.
Because my family, we all call each other chickie, chicken.
Cute, chick chick.
Yes, when I call my mom, I'm like, cheep, cheep. You know, that's how we talk to each other.
Cute. Oh my God.
So I call everybody watching my chickies.
Hi, chickies.
And she has a bunch of chickens. I
Another
actually saw a
reason why I
picture.
should take over this channel.
Yes, you would just fit right in. You would know how to care for
I'll
everybody.
call you chickies. Choop choop. I'll feed you. I'll get your eggs. So then I'm gonna do the crease.
What are you using? Heist. I'm using Wild Thing in my crease right now.
That's very bold, and I love that.
yeah.
Wild Thing is actually my favorite,
Fiery.
but Heist is just like, I'm just giving you a little like morning quick routine. You know what I mean? And I just go right in the crease. You know?
Oh yeah.
And look, I'm not trying to like come for you.
Yeah.
I'm just
But
giving
you kind
a
of
little
are.
like,
You kind of are trying to.
and like, I am trying to come for you,
But you do.
but like, I'm not trying to like come for you.
Yeah.
But you, I am.
Yes. Exactly. But them,
You know?
you're not.
You guys, I'm not. You guys are my little cheap cheap.
But me. I'm okay with that.
What you also could do is if you wanted to just bring a little down, this might be for later in the day, maybe not so early, but like, you know, bring the Heist down to the lower. Also,
Ooh,
just to
she's
add
getting-
a little
she's
color,
getting saucy now.
you know? Doesn't it look like I have a secret?
Yeah. You look mischievous.
I feel like, who's the villain in Aladdin?
Jafar.
Aren't I giving you Jafar vibes?
A little bit.
I look like him, I think.
No.
Okay. Okay. And then, if you
Too
need
much.
a little more coverage under the eye, if it's been a late night, obviously.
Which always.
Which always, yes, except for me, because I go to bed at
Except for
8:30.
Monday through Sunday for you.
I just go under the eye, but I didn't do that today because I'm well rested.
Good.
You can, but that's more of like my cheap cheaps know that you can put under eye
Cheap
concealer
cheaps
on, and
know.
you should do that. For lips.
Oh my God, girl, you're moving really fast right now. I'm trying to catch up.
You know why? Because like we don't have time.
Yeah.
And a little
No, I
goes
don't
a
have
long
time.
way. This is just like what?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna give you a little look, and I'm
You're
gonna
like-
kill
you're
you,
like, I'm just
but
done.
in like a sly way. Okay.
I'm
See?
just trying to catch up to you right now. You are, I
Am I
mean,
a
you
speed
could
demon?
probably film like 50 tutorials in one day if you wanted to.
Maybe I should do it.
I'm just out here trying to function.
Look, and I'd maybe put a little like lip balm if I wanted to make it a little more sheer. Boom.
Are you done?
Done.
You can't be done.
What do you mean?
I'm still making moves over here.
Should I go a little, but look, like I'm loving the color
I think you're gonna
right
have to take it day to night now at this point.
Okay, great. Here we go. Then we're gonna go very
She's already
sassy.
taking it day to
I'm gonna
night.
start with, before I go all the way to ashes, I'm gonna start with Ember, just to give you another.
Okay,
like,
this is what I'm talking
you know,
about. Yeah,
now we're
you're-
gonna start building. Oh, you thought I was golden this morning?
Now, are you trying to come
Wait
for
till
people?
you see me for dinner. I'm still only trying to come for you,
Okay, I feel that.
but let's see how I feel when I've got this liner happening.
I
okay?
hear that you like to pull a lot of pranks on your pops.
I do.
You do. You know, I have the same relationship with my brother.
You do? Isn't it fun?
I pull so many pranks on him. He hates it, but I love it.
Okay, look, all I did was I just went boom, 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 boom.
That's a lot of booms.
But like, look, and then you have it. You
Yeah.
have the shape, you know? Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's count how many booms. Real.
All right.
This is my eye, okay? This thing.
Okay.
This is my eye,
Yes.
okay? Okay, then, ready?
Yep.
Boom, 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 boom.
I hope
boom,
somebody's
boom.
counting.
How many?
That was 12 booms.
12. 12 little booms, and look, I have the shape, and like, that's really all you need.
Is that what you usually do for your wing? That's
That's-
a little shadow, right?
Just like a little shadow and more just for shape.
It's a little bit more, it's a little easier and,
And
like
honestly,
quicker,
if you
smokier,
start light,
sexier.
it is. It's sexier because it's just giving you more of the illusion.
Yeah.
You know? So this is like dinner.
It's pulling your eye up,
It's pulling your eye up. And then, if you really want to get sassy,
which you do.
which I obviously do, then I'm gonna move into ashes into the inner corner of my eye, which I haven't even touched this whole time.
I'm actually hitting my lower lash line with, I'm going in with Heist and just smoking it out.
Okay, love that
That's
plan.
actually a good thing to do when you're really tired or, you know, your under eyes are looking kind of sus one day. Like you just really smoke the lash line out low is what I like to do. It's my thing.
Okay, what do you think?
I mean, should I leave? Should I go?
I'm really proud of myself. And that's the vibe, you know?
And that's the vibe.
If you have a palette that's all complementary of each other, which you should,
Yeah.
if you own this, then like
It's
you're good
easy.
to go. It's easy.
Basically, what you would call this palette in 3 words.
Boom, boom, boom. Calm down. We got it.
Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm gonna put my lipstick on because you've, you know, surpassed me.
Should I do a little
doing a
glitter
little
just
lip.
because?
Oh, she's really getting sassy now.
Well, I mean, I'm just sitting here. Okay, should I do? I'm gonna go
All right.
underneath because I'm feeling very sassy. Look, I don't know what kind of night you're having if you're putting
A
this
slow
on.
one over here.
You know?
A slow night, yeah.
But like, what is wrong with a little sparkle under the eye?
Nothing. There's never anything wrong with sparkle.
There's really nothing.
I just like a flush of color on the lips.
Yeah, it's just like a little hint.
Put a little mascara on and then, you know.
And then, oh, you have the curler. So you're trying to come for me.
I am trying to sabotage you.
I understand. I understand.
I
What do you
wanted
think?
your eyelashes to look limp.
I'm like, oh, I don't have that.
I think you look like you're ready to party.
I am ready to party.
Yeah, you're ready for a night out.
I'm ready.
Yeah, me too. I need mascara and then I'll be ready.
Oh, okay. Use this.
What is this all about?
This
Yeah.
is Troublemaker mascara.
This is you and a
Now look
mascara.
at that. This is me. If I was a mascara, this would be me.
Yeah.
Long and round and iridescent. Multicolored.
Are you long and round and iridescent?
I think those are the first things that come to my mind
Yeah.
when I think of myself. But see how the brush has different length of bristles? So
Yes.
it's getting every single lash. Like it's just
All of-
getting it.
It's getting
You know
all
what I
my
mean?
5 lashes right now. I can feel it.
Yeah, but yours look, they look thick and they look good. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Boom, boom.
All right, let me just hit it on the lowers.
Boom. Boom. What?
Boom. Boom. You know, you may have beat me in the quickness of your makeup, but I think I beat you here.
You are the ultimate champion.
So,
Whoa.
I win.
Got it.
I win. Well, that was fun.
That was fun. I
Kinda
love
finished that
us.
pretty quickly.
Yes. And I feel like we have the same vibe.
Yeah, I was
right?
gonna say I'm gonna ask you back on, but then I realized I need to be asked back on.
Because this is my show.
Yeah.
Would you like to come back on?
I would love to.
And
That would be
hang
an
out with
honor.
me and my chip.
I would love to. That would be an honor.
Great.
All right, well, that's it then. Thank you so much for watching over here. And I guess I won't be seeing you guys anymore because, you know, unless I come back.
Paka!
All right, guys, so that's it. These are our looks. I did one look. She did two looks.
I did
Actually,
three,
you
'cause I
kind of
added
did three.
glitter.
You did three.
Yeah.
You took it there. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't already follow Nicole Richie, you need to follow her right now.
Follow me right now.
I mean, you can subscribe to this channel, her channel.
My channel.
We'll see you guys next time I get invited back on this channel.
And give us 2 thumbs up.
4 thumbs up.
4 thumbs.
Thank you so much. Good day.
And Mark? Do you drink wine on your show? Like,
I mean, yeah, from time to time.
oh, okay,
Have some,
okay.
you know.
It's not like a Kathy Lee and Hoda thing where it's all the time.
No,
but like
no,
sometimes.
Just sometimes.
Special occasions.
Years, you know. It's not really like a thing, but
We'll make it one.
Yeah.
I should get rid of my tea. That's probably.
Yeah, that's trash.
I probably
We gotta get
don't
rid of
look
that.
cool.
We gotta-